for that. So China and commodities, I mean, interlinked in more than one way. So that's interesting. Just a few other names. Karnataka Bank is up 7.5%. Again, these are newer names. As I said, market breadth is still positive, although the gap is narrowing. Karnataka Bank is a very strong one. And the other one is MedPlus, which is, of course, the physical pharmacy chain, the second largest in the country. That is up 7.5 as well. So these are both these names coming up with very strong volumes at this point in the day. Angel One is what we spoke about. They've sort of put out a business update for the month of November. Stocks down. Surbhi is here with details. Surbhi.
Angel One has released their November business update and it's a weak set of numbers. Their gross client acquisition was down in third consecutive month. It was down 6% on a month-on-month basis. Their number of orders were marginally up, but this is mainly because there were higher number of trading days this month compared to the previous. They have seen a significant drop in the client funding book as well. The client funding book was down 18% on a month-on-month basis at 1292 crores versus 1575 crores in the previous month. It has lost market shares across all segments, F&O, equity, cash and commodity. First time in 7 months, it has lost market share in the commodities segment. It is down 210 basis points at 51.3% versus 53.4% in the previous month.
All right, Surbhi, thanks a lot for that. Well, Persistent Systems is the other stock on our radar after JP Morgan downgraded the company. Remember, Nimesh, our colleague, had highlighted that Persistent Systems was a stock on his radar when JP Morgan had upgraded the stock in October. What led to a downgrade in less than a month? Nimesh is here to tell us about that. Nimesh.
Hi, Sonia. So what led to the downgrade is the fact that after that upgrade in October, the stock has rallied 31% versus the IT index, which is up only 14%. So there has been a big outperformance on the stock in the last 2 months since the last upgrade. And now JP Morgan believes after a 31% rally, the stock is fairly valued at 32 times 1 year forward price to earnings. And it is trading at a premium to all the global peers. In fact, the Q3 could be a surprise, and that's something they'll be watching out for. But in case there is no big surprise in the Q3 earnings, they do not see any positive catalyst that can drive the further re-rating. So after a 31% rally and the stock is fairly valued now, JP Morgan has gone ahead and downgrade the stock again to neutral from overweight, and they've written a target price of 4100 on Persistent Systems.
All right, Nimesh, thank you very much. That's a big run, and there's a